Welcome back to Overheat, the outside of a 2026 Range Rover Motorhome. Extended iconic design. Despite having much bigger proportions, the Range Rover's brash and sophisticated basic design is still present. Lightweight and sturdy materials, reducing weight will require the usage of composites, carbon fiber, and premium aluminum alloys. Skylights and panoramic windows. A major element will be large windows with adaptive privacy glass, which will provide sweeping inside views of the exterior. External storage systems. There will be easily accessible, concealed storage spaces on the outside. Range Rover Off-Road Features. This vehicle retains the Range Rover Off-Road DNA despite being a motorhome. Integrated Auto Awning. The body will be well complemented by a sizable electric awning. Interior. Dual Infotainment System. The dashboard will be dominated by two of the newest Pivi Pro touchscreens. Flexible front passenger seat. When the car is stopped, the front passenger seat may be turned 180 degrees to face the lounge area. An integrated entertainment system is a big, concealable flat-screen television. Kitchen features include a stainless steel sink with a designer faucet, a mid-sized dual refrigerator and freezer, a 2 or 3 burner induction cooktop, an integrated convection oven, microwave, and light natural stone or high-end composite surfaces. There might be an integrated espresso coffee maker and smart storage cabinets with locking mechanisms to keep things from moving while you're driving. A luxurious master bedroom is one that has a cozy queen or king-size bed, a top-notch mattress, and fine linens. Choices for a hybrid or electric powertrain. Based on 2026 auto trends, the Range Rover Motorhome is probably going to have a strong plug-in hybrid PHEV drivetrain that combines the newest Ingenium gasoline engine with an electric motor and a sizable battery for a considerable range in electric mode. Adaptive air suspension is a cutting-edge air suspension system that modifies the vehicle's ride height for off-road capability and comfort. There is also a full electric version BEV that offers direct performance and zero emissions.